Hi guys! Welcome to Mr.
and Mrs.
J TV with Uno.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Magandang araw everyone! Kumusta kayo? Sana ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. It's a beautiful day, panibagong araw, panibagong buhay, panibagong pag-asa. So, today so parehas kaming off ni nanay and we're going to supermarket. Mag-top up kami ng mga supplies namin. And after that, we're going to the nearest beach here sa area namin. For today's video, we're going to talk about expenses,
cost of living, monthly budget for a family of 3 dito sa Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia.
So ayan guys, so magkwentuhan tayo, mag-share kami and hopefully magkaroon kayo ng idea. So ayan guys, we're here sa parking lot ng shopping center. So malapit lang naman kasi sa bahay.
Come on, hold nanay. Tayo sa Coles. We'll use the same trolley. Wala namang issue. Okay, so may listahan na kami sa mabilis lang. And time check is 3:16.
Milk? No nice milk?
Hello! It's a puppy. What's the meat?
Tatay, gilid.
What's the meat? What's the meat?
Ay, good go. Nanay will get strawberry. Uy, $2 na lang. Strawberry, $2 na lang. Oh, yeah. And so, nakasil yung spam. 24 cents lang. Difference. So, dito tayo isa. Once in a while, diba? Kasi naman natin medyo ano siya, salty. Ayan, tatay, ba, ano yung pa-punch si tatay. Hindi siya na-zoom. This yung isa.
Wait!
Hello! Say hello!
Hello!
What are you doing? Uno, draw ikaw. Show mo yung drawing mo.
Ito!
Draw na na yung circle. Go. Oh, very good. Circle. Where? One more circle. Very good. Say hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
Look here. Uno. Hello, guys.
You.
May makulit po na bata. But I will pay na. 96. Oh!
Ah!
Tatay mo. Okay. 6.68.
Here! 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 Here!
Hi guys! Ayan, tapos na kami mag-grocery and we're going to the beach na.
Hello guys! Nandito na kami sa
Hello.
beach, sa parking lot. So, maglalakad na lang kami papunta doon and excited na si Uno. Hello guys!
Hello guys!
Dito na kami sa beach. So, si Uno ayan, busy mag-play ng
Look at Uno!
sand. Ayun. So, may dala kaming baon kasi merienda, nagutom kami.
Pero ano kami, ingat kami kasi ang daming ibon dito. Seagull tsaka ano to? Uwak.
Uwak.
Nangaagaw yan mga ng pagkain.
Ayun, so let's get to the
To the
topic
main
na.
topic.
Yeah. So, ang aming cost of living, monthly budget dito sa Australia. Rent, number 1. Yun yung biggest talaga namin na expense.
Yeah, rent.
Rent. So, magkanong rent namin? Average rent namin dito sa Gold Coast is $750. $750 per week.
Per week.
Per week.
Yeah.
So, kung monthly siya, kasi ang pagbayad namin is fortnightly, which means every 2 weeks kami nagbabayad ng 1,500 something. So, yun, ano lang siya, manual payment namin sa bank account ng aming landlord. Tapos, yun, that's $750 per week, 1,500 every fortnight. So, next namin na malaki is yung
Dog!
sa grocery.
Grocery.
Sa grocery, nag-aalat kami ng mga 200 per week.
Per week.
Per week.
Pero depende naman kasi some weeks, gaya ngayon, top up lang naman kami. So, pero kapag ka-empty talaga, yun,
Mas mabigat.
Mas mabigat, mas malaki.
So, pag sinabi namin guys na top up, kunwari, bigas, meron pa kaming bigas sa bahay.
Bibili
So,
lang kami ng extra.
Pero kung talagang as in 5 kilos yung bibilihin, medyo mabigat yon. Tapos kung wala ng meat, yun, mabigat yon. So sa ngayon, nag-top up lang kami. May meat pa kami sa bahay, meron pa kaming ibang mga supplies. So kung ano lang yung kulang, yun lang yung aming binili. So average 200 per week kami. Next is yung aming petrol. So yung petrol namin or yung gasolina sa car is si tatay.
It depends naman sa price ng petrol. Okay? So, dito kasi, almost every week, nagpa-fluctuate. Oo. Bababa, tataas, yung price niya. Pero,
usually, tinatiming namin dun sa cheapest.
kung
Kung saan yung cheapest, doon kami nagpapagas. Kasi, hello, practical.
pero, nag-average siya ng $60 to $70 for 1 week na yun. For 1 week na.
In 1 month, mga 300. 300 per month. Oo.
$60 to $70
Yes.
a week. Ayan.
Next namin is yung aming sa car. Yung car is monthly din yung aming bayad. That's around $236 per month naman yon.
Per month.
Next is yung health insurance, which is malaki din. Ang kagandahan sa akin is under ako ng employer na magko-cover. Yung employer ko may kino-cover ng I think 40% ng, hindi naman 40%, mga 30% ng health insurance. So, nagbabayad lang kami ng 226. So, dati nasa 300
Sa
plus
ating tatlo
yun.
na yun.
Yeah, sa ating
Sa ating
tatlo na yun. So, mandatory yung health insurance, guys. Private health insurance kasi yung visa namin is working visa. So, hindi pa kami PR. So, once you have a working visa, 482 visa, you are required to have your private health insurance kasi nga naman, when you get sick, you need to have the insurance to pay for yung inyong medical expenses. So yes, so we're done with that. Petrol. Next is yung car insurance namin. So yung syempre kung yung health namin may insurance, si car may insurance din. So si car insurance namin nasa $112 and Kohl's din siya na insurance. So remember guys,
we're
we
using
mentioned,
Kohl's insurance.
Yeah, di ba yung Kohl's is yung grocery store pala. So, yun. Kinuha din namin yung Kohl's kasi cheaper din siya. Tapos, parang maganda din yung reviews. And yung kagandahan din is yung kapag yung sa insurance mo is may points kasi yung sa, parang sa Pilipinas kung may SM reward points
Advantage
tayo.
card,
Yun,
yeah.
advantage
Mga
card. Parang may points na ma-accumulate. So, if
Every payment.
Yeah. So, yung sa insurance namin, since Kohl's shop, every payment namin, parang may, ano din siya, may percentage, may points kaming na-accumulate for the flybys. What? Yeah, the bird. Okay, okay. That's
So
okay.
yung flybys, kapag na-accumulate mo na yung how many points? 2,000?
2,000.
2,000 points. So parang
Equivalent to $10.
$10. So
Sure.
parang magsasuggest sa'yo kapag ka nag-check out ka ng items mo, magsasuggest sa'yo kung gusto mong gamitin yung $10. So nakakabawas na din ng expenses or sa grocery.
Sayang baby. Tama.
Gutom na kami. Last meal namin na 9 and it's already 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Electricity, monthly naman kami nagbabayad and it's around $100 to $105.
Direct debit siya, guys. If kunwari, kulang yung usage nyo, kunwari, mababa yung usage nyo, kasi average yan, hindi siya eksakto. So, pinili ko yung, kumbaga, yung fixed amount yung babayaran mo every month. So, kapag naman mahina kang gumamit ng kuryente, binabalik naman nila the next month. And ang kagandahan, starting July until January, I think July to December, wala kaming binabayaran sa electricity kasi yung government, yung Queensland government, meron silang kumbaga tulong sa mga bawat household na I think there's a certain amount, I think $1,000 or something, I'm not sure. Pero kumbaga, what's important is hindi kami nagbabayad ng electricity since July until December. So next bill namin is January. Next year.
Yeah. Next is internet. So nagpe-pay kami ng monthly ng $90. And plan yun.
Yeah. Kasama na yung wireless broadband internet namin sa bahay, which is yung cheapest din yung kinuha ko. Tas maganda yung review. Aming provider is Spintel. So it's a 5G broadband wireless internet. Ano lang siya, that's around I think $50. So $50 basta discounted rate na yon.
What else? So we're done with
yeah, rent nasa 3,000 per month. Yung aming car insurance $236 per month. Health insurance $226, grocery $800, petrol $300, car insurance $112, electricity $105, internet $90. So nasa total niya mga nasa 4,900. Lalagay ko na lang dyan.
4,900 monthly. Yeah.
But then again, yun lang yung basic. Sa
yung
car,
yung sa amin.
Yeah. Gaya guys ng additional expenses, for example sa car, you need to pay for the car rego or car registration either every 6 months or every
Depende sa
every
pipiliin
year.
mo.
Mga $406.
Yan. For 6 months yun.
So mag-renew for April next year.
Aside from that, car maintenance.
Yes.
So i-add na lang yun sa petrol kasi yung maintenance naman dito kasi every 6 months ang car servicing, but depende kung ma-reach mo na yung mileage. So good thing na lang din kasi ako yung gumagawa. So marunong ako. Malaking tipid. So parang piyesa lang naman ang bibilhin. So it's around like $100 to $150 yung per maintenance. Kung ako sarili mo gagawin mo, ako yung gumawa. So ayun.
So that sums up our monthly budget here for family of 3 dito sa Australia. And ayun nga, if you have any questions, if you have something to add, corrections, suggestions, feel free to comment down below.
And kasi we're here in Australia for about 5 months na. So hindi pa namin hindi pa namin na-experience lahat. Kumbaga nandun lang kami sa na-experience namin for the past 5 months. Yun lang naman ang inaano namin. So feel free to comment down below sa mga makakanood na nandito na sa Australia. And mag-suggest din kayo kung paano pa kami mas makakatipid.
Yeah, if you have any tipid hacks.
Tipid hacks, yeah.
So, ayun.
That's it. Hopefully guys, nagkaroon kayo ng idea, and thank you so much for watching and sa pagsubaybay dito sa video na to. And please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and subscribe para maging updated kayo sa mga next videos namin.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This has been Mr.
and Mrs. J
TV with Uno. Sorry. With Uno.
Say bye.
Say bye. Bye.
Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.